For using Delta, let me click here. As you can see, all scripts are added. Just click execute. Hello there people and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox. Absolutely free, safe and online guys, so let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called adloop.com, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So go to your profile official of Roblox on your browser and just copy your link. It's super easy. Okay, let's get back to the our tool, and you have this paste button on this tool. Just press continue guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is select on button and select script that you want to add to your account guys. So I will select these 4 scripts. Let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites. For now, this AppLoop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task below. Each task you have description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download Underdog Fantasy, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed these tasks and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. So if you have this message guys, you're on the right way. So let's wait together and let's see. Nice guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the boot check. Delta Executor is important to your account guys. I'm so excited to test this, so let me open the game and let's see, does it actually work. So let's see guys. So let me play this Grow Garden. Okay, let's see. Okay guys, and now I'm in the game as you can see, and I have these panels. So let me click here. Thank you for using Delta. Let me click here. As you can see, all scripts are added. Just click execute and you will see the magic. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.